Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a legend reborn. The 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 396. This muscle car is making waves, blending classic style with modern power, and I'm pumped to take you through every detail. From its aggressive exterior to its high-tech interior, raw performance and pricing, we're covering it all. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started with this iconic ride. Let's kick things off by checking out the exterior, starting with the front. The 2026 Nova SS 396 is a head-turner, no question about it. The front end screams attitude with a bold, black mesh grille that's unmistakably Chevy. Flanking it are sleek LED halo headlights that give a nod to the classic Nova while feeling totally modern. The sculpted hood adds a muscular vibe, with subtle vents that hint at the beastly power underneath. It's aggressive yet elegant, striking a perfect balance between retro charm and 21st century aerodynamics. You can almost feel the heritage of the original Nova SS from the 60s and 70s, but it's been reimagined to compete with today's heavy hitters like the Dodge Challenger SRT and Ford Mustang GTD. The front fascia is wide and low, giving it a planted, ready 2-pound stance that's sure to make any car enthusiast's heart race. Moving to the side profile, the Nova SS 396 keeps that classic muscle car silhouette, but polishes it with modern flair. The sculpted lines and wide fenders emphasize its athletic build, while the retro-style LED lighting accents tie it back to its roots. You've got lightweight composite panels that not only look sharp, but also help with performance by keeping the weight down. Optional dual racing stripes are available, running from the hood to the trunk, and they scream old-school cool. The 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in low-profile performance tires, fill out the wheel wells perfectly, giving it that aggressive, road-hugging look. Whether you're cruising the strip or parked at a car show, the side view of this Nova demands attention. It's like Chevy took the best parts of the original and gave it a futuristic edge without losing its soul. Now, let's swing around to the back. The rear of the 2026 Nova SS 396 is just as bold as the front. You've got a sleek, integrated spoiler that adds a touch of downforce while keeping the design clean. The LED taillights echo the classic Nova's rectangular shape, but with a modern glow that pops at night. The dual exhaust outlets, polished to a shine, sit proudly below a blacked-out diffuser, hinting at the V8 roar you'll hear when this thing fires up. The badging is subtle but effective, just enough to let everyone know this is the SS 396, no explanation needed. The rear design ties the whole package together, blending nostalgia with a contemporary edge that makes it clear this car means business. Stepping inside, the interior of the 2026 Nova SS 396 is where classic meets cutting edge. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's equal parts performance-focused and luxurious. The SS embroidered bucket seats are wrapped in premium leather, with heating and ventilation options to keep you comfortable whether it's a summer cruise or a winter drive. The driver-centric layout puts everything within reach, starting with a 13-inch digital instrument cluster that's crisp and customizable. Analog-style gauges pay homage to the past, while the large touchscreen infotainment system, running Chevy's latest MyLink software, brings you into the future with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. A premium Bose sound system fills the cabin with crystal-clear audio, and you've got wireless charging and multiple USB ports to keep your devices powered. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, casting a soft glow across the high-quality materials. It's a place you'll want to spend time in, whether you're carving up back roads or just running errands. That said, like most coupes, the rear seats are a bit tight for adults, and cargo space is limited, so this isn't your family hauler. It's built for the driver who wants performance with a side of comfort. Now, let's talk about what makes the Nova SS 396 truly special: its performance. Under the hood, the star of the show is a 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged LT7 V8 engine, pumping out a jaw-dropping 1,002 horsepower in the top-tier SS trim. That's right, this thing is a supercar in muscle car clothing, ready to go toe-to-toe with the best in the business. Power is sent to the rear wheels through either a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission for purists who love to row their own gears. The 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint? Let's just say it's in the low 3-second range, and the quarter-mile disappears in under 11 seconds. The suspension is tuned for performance, with adaptive dampers that let you switch between cushy cruising and track-ready stiffness. But Chevy didn't stop there. They've also added hybrid options for select trims, blending the V8's raw power with better fuel economy and lower emissions. It's a smart move to broaden the Nova's appeal, though the S396 is all about that unapologetic V8 roar. The only downside? That extreme power might be overkill for the average driver, and it could make insurance premiums a bit spicy. Still, for those who live for the thrill, this car delivers in spades. Let's break down the pricing. The 2026 Nova SS 396 starts at around $40,000 for the base model, which is a solid value for a car with this much heritage and modern tech. As you climb the trim ladder, especially to the SS with that 1,002 horsepower V8, you're looking at prices closer to $60,000 or more, depending on options like the track package or premium interior upgrades, compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang GTD or Dodge Challenger SRT. The Nova SS offers a compelling mix of performance and nostalgia for the price. However, keep in mind that the hybrid trims might add a bit to the cost but could save you at the pump. If you're budgeting, the base model gives you plenty of muscle car vibes without breaking the bank, while the SS is for those who want to dominate the streets. So, who's this car for? If you're a muscle car purist who loves the idea of a V8-powered rear-wheel drive coupe with classic styling, the Nova SS 396 is your dream ride. It's perfect for weekend cruises, car shows, or even track days with the right package. That said, if you need a practical daily driver with room for the family, you might want to look elsewhere. The Nova's all about performance over practicality. I'd recommend going for the manual transmission if you want the full retro experience, but the automatic is no slouch either. If fuel economy matters to you, check out the hybrid trims for a balance of power and efficiency. Just be ready for the attention this car draws. It's not a sleeper by any means. Alright folks, that's our deep dive into the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 396. This car is a love letter to muscle car fans, blending the raw power and iconic style of the original with the tech and performance of today. From its aggressive exterior to its driver-focused interior and that insane 1,002 horsepower V8, it's a car that's sure to leave a mark. Whether you're a longtime Nova fan or just love a good performance car, this one's worth checking out when it hits dealerships in spring or early summer 2026. What do you think? Would you rock this Nova SS 396? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.